Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add customized terms and conditions to your Wix store, stick around because today, I'm walking you through the entire process. Step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a smooth, professional checkout experience that protects you and informs your customers. Setting clear terms isn't just about legal coverage. It builds trust and sets expectations, which is crucial for any online store. All right, let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. This is your main command center for anything site-related, whether you're adding products or tweaking your homepage. If you're not there yet, just log into your Wix account to access the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to find and select the website where your store is hosted. This is important if you manage more than one site in your account. You want to make sure you're updating the right store. It saves you from confusion later. Click on your store's site to bring up all the specific management options for that website. Now, look for the Settings option in the menu. It's usually found on the left side panel. Go ahead and click Settings. This is where you'll find all the back-end options that control how your store runs. It might feel like a small step, but think of this area like the engine room of your website. Settings are what let you get under the hood and customize those important details, including checkout procedures. Alright, next, inside the settings, you'll see a bunch of options. You're looking for one labeled Checkout. Click on it. The Checkout section lets you manage the buying experience for your customers. So anytime you want to add things like policies, payment methods, or shipping details, this is where you come. Scroll down in the Checkout menu until you find a section called Policies. It can take a second. Wix organizes things pretty logically, but there's plenty to look at, so don't worry if you have to scan the page for a moment. Under Policies, you'll find various options to display your store's rules and expectations directly to buyers during the checkout process. Now, here comes the essential bit. Enable the Terms and Conditions toggle. This little switch lets Wix know you want your customers to see, and agree to, your terms before they complete their order. Enabling this is a big deal for e-commerce owners, because it adds an extra layer of accountability and helps prevent misunderstandings down the line. When you turn it on, Wix may prompt you for the actual content of your terms. This is where you paste in your customized terms and conditions. You might have this text prepared already. Maybe it covers your return policy, shipping rules, or digital product usage rights. Just copy your terms and paste them into the provided field. Take a moment to make sure the formatting looks good and all the information is accurate. Remember, this is the place where you set clear boundaries between you and your buyers, like a clear sign at the entrance to a shop. And that's it. You've officially added terms and conditions to your Wix store's checkout process. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference for both you and your customers. Don't worry if this took a little fiddling the first time. It gets easier as you go, and now you've got one more tool to run your store professionally. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you've got any questions or need more tips on running your website with Wix, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. And if you want more tutorials just like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.